بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will be having our final enrichment activities for this semester. My name is teacher Ines الثالث. So as you can see, this is enrichment activities number 2. Here we'll be talking and covering all the important information that was at the last unit, shops and malls. So if you miss that unit for any reason or any of the lessons, that's fine, because today we will try to cover some or most of the most important information in that unit. Let's start. Bismillah. Those were the last 2 units at our book: animals, shops and malls. We'll be focusing at the one on your right, number 4, shops and malls, where we will try to talk more, give more information and focus on the most important ones. By the end of the lesson or our activities, we'll be able to name more shops, answer the question, where can you get this? And of course, we'll be using preposition of place together. So let's start with shops. What do I mean by shops? As you can see, these are different places where we can buy different items. As you can see here on the screen, I have a book store or a bookshop. What can we get from a bookstore, my dear student? Can we get food? Can we buy vegetables? Can we do our laundry? No, actually we can buy books, magazines, notebooks, pencils, pens. Very good. So the first shop here we have is a bookstore. Let's read one more time. Bookstore. Bookstore. One more time. Bookstore. One last time. Bookstore. Very good. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Here I have a green grocery. What do I mean by a green grocery? It's a place where we go to buy vegetables and to buy fruits. As you can see here, I have some tomatoes, apples, pumpkins, bananas, radish, carrots, different kinds of fruit and vegetables, where we can get them from the green grocery. Very good. Now, for the next one here, I have a grocery store. Grocery store, or sometimes we call it convenience store, supermarket, where we can get all the things we need for our house, like oil, flour, bread, cheese, for example, olives. We get them from the grocery store. Let's read again. Grocery store. Grocery store. One more time. Grocery store. One last time. Grocery store. Very good. Next shop here, I have a meat shop or butcher's shop. Here we can get different kind, like chicken, steak, sausages, salami, for example. We get them from the meat shop or a butcher's shop. Very good. Now, as you can see here, I have a new kind of shop where we can get bread, cupcake, for example, donuts, cookies. Okay. Here I have a bakery. I have a bakery. Very good. For the next one, I have a laundry. Laundry is a place where we go to wash our dirty clothes. Okay. So I have a laundry here. It's a place where we get our clothes cleaned or washed. Now, let's ask this question. Where can we buy this, or where can we get this? To answer this question, you need to name the shop for me. Okay. For example, if I ask you, where do you buy shoes? Where can we get some cupcakes? If we need a flour, where do we go? Okay. We need to give or provide different answers with different shops, right? So for example, if I'm fancying a cup of coffee and donuts, where do I go? I need a coffee and a donut. Where do I go? I go to, or we buy them from a coffee shop. Very good. So we buy them from a coffee shop where we can get coffee, or we can get a dessert, for example, tea. Very good. Next one here, I have vitamins. Can we get vitamins from a coffee shop? The answer is no. Where do we need to go? We need to go to the pharmacy, so we buy them from a pharmacy. Very good. With our medicines or medications that we might need. So we buy vitamins from a pharmacy. We buy them from a pharmacy. Very good. Now, how about these items? I can see a sofa, a bed, a cupboard, a lamp, chairs, nightstand. Now, can we get them from a pharmacy? No. Can we get them from a meat shop? The answer again is no. So where can we get them from? We can buy them from a furniture shop. Very good. We buy them from a furniture shop. Very good. So here I have all these items that we can get from a furniture shop. A furniture shop. Very good. Now, how about these appliances? Here I can see a TV, a screen, a phone, a heater, a stove, a vacuum cleaner, some speakers, a fridge. Now, can we get them from, let's say, a grocery store, the bookshop? The answer is no. Where do we get them from? We buy them from electronic shops. We get them from electronic shop. Very good. So, where can we get all these items? We get them from electronic shop. Very good. Now, how about these outfits or clothes? Where do we get them from? I have a dress, I have a skirt, backpack, a t-shirt, some shirts, a hat. Where do we find all these clothes? We find them at the dress shop. Very good. So we buy them from dress shop. Very good. So one more time, dress shop. Very good. So we buy all these items from a dress shop. Excellent. Now, here I need you to do this exercise with me. As you can see here, I have to your left different kind of shops, and to your right I have the things that we might get from these places. Let me try to read the places or the shops first. I have a bed shop, a bakery, supermarket, clothes shop or a dress shop, and then I have a coffee shop. For this exercise, I'll be giving you 30 seconds. Try to match it, and then after 30 seconds, I'll be revealing the answer for you. Okay, so let's start with the first one. What can you get from a pet shop? Of course, animals' food or pets' food. Very good, okay? What about bakery? What can we get from a bakery? What can we buy? We might buy bread, cookies, cake, cupcake, donuts. Very good. How about a supermarket, my dear student? What can you get from a supermarket? We might get this basket. As you can see, I can see oil, milk, bread, tomatoes, whatever you need for your kitchen. And for the next one, I have a dress shop where you can buy all these outfits. Maybe we can get a skirt, a shirt, shoes. And for the last one, I have a coffee shop where you can buy this juice and, of course, a coffee. Okay, so here I have different kind of shops and the things that you might get at these places. Now, I need you to do this exercise for me. Circle the things that you can buy from this shop. As you can see, I have different kind of shops. For the first one here, I can see on the display cake, bread, loaf of bread, some cupcakes. So what can you get from a bakery? Can we get a kettle, plant, or bread, my dear student? The answer, of course, is bread. Very good. The answer is bread. For the next one, I have a bookshop. What can you get from a bookshop? Coffee, book, chair. What do you think? Coffee, book, chair. The answer is chair. Very good. The answer is book. We might get a book. And for the last one, I have a butcher's shop or a meat shop. What can you get from a meat shop or a butcher's shop? Chicken, dress, or toothpaste? What do you think? What can you get from a butcher's shop? Of course, we might get chicken. Very good. We might get chicken. How about these new shops? I have a pharmacy, then I have a dress shop, and then I have a a flower shop. So what do you think? What can we get from a pharmacy, my dear student? Let me read the answers for you. Aspirin, necklace, or stamps? What do you think? What can we get from a pharmacy? The answer is aspirin. Very good. The answer is aspirin. Very good. How about the second one? Dress shop. What do we get? Number 1, dress. Number 2, toaster. Or number 3, bread. What do you think? What do we get? The answer, of course, is dress, among other things. Very good. While for the flower shop, what can we get from a flower shop? Number 1, doll. Number 2, cough medicine or cough mixture, or flowers. Of course, we get flowers. Very good. We get flowers. So we get aspirin from the pharmacy, we get dress from a dress shop, and we get flowers from the flower shop. Very good. Also, in the last unit, we talked about prepositional place. What are they and why are they very important? Let me explain why. In order to answer this question, where is, we need to give the direction for a store or for a shop, or we want to host some guests. We need to give them the direction of our own houses. We need to learn about prepositions of place. This will give you most of the most common prepositions that we might use. Here I have an apple and a box, or sometimes I have more than one apple and more than one box. Let's focus on the first one. If I ask you, where's the apple, my dear student, you'll be saying, it is on the box. It is on the box. Let's go to the next one. Now, where's the apple? Is it in the same place? The answer is no, of course. It is in the box. It is in the box. Very good. How about the next one? Where's the apple? It is next to the box. Very good. It is next to the box, or it is beside the box. Very good. How about the next one? Where's the apple? It is in front of the box. Very good. It is in front of the box. How about the next one? Where's the apple? It's not in the same place. It is behind the box. It is behind the box. Now, notice here I have not one but two boxes. I have two boxes. It's because the apple is stuck between the two boxes. So where's the apple? It is between the boxes. Very good. Next, the apple is under the box. The apple is under the box. For the next one, the apple goes through the box. And for the last one, here I have the apples that are around the box. So let's read together. On, in, next to, in front of, behind, between, under, through, and around. Very good, my dear student. Now, I need you to open your books at page 55. Page 55. This is very important, okay? I'll be zooming here, and I need you to have your pencils so we can do this exercise together. Now, choose the correct preposition. Here I have 4 pictures and I have 4 sentences. For each picture, I'll be giving you maybe 10 seconds. Try to find the answers yourself. For the first one, the book is. Now here I have the preposition. The book is on, next to the table. Now you have 5 seconds. Try to find the answer. Okay, so what do you think? The book, where's the book? The book is on the table. Very good. The book is on the table. Now let's go to the next picture. The school is in front of between the mosque. Now look at the picture, my dear student, and try to answer. The school is, the answer is in front of. Very good. The school is in front of the mosque. Very good. Number 3. The girl is in, behind the door. What do you think? Where is the girl? She is, very good, she is behind the door. She is behind the door. Now, for the last picture here, I have 2 cars, a blue car and a green one. Okay? The green car is next to, between the blue one. What do you think? The green car is next to, between the blue one. The answer is next to. Very good. The answer is next to. So let's read our answers one last time. The book is on the table. The school is in front of the mosque. The girl is behind the door. The green car is next to the blue one. Very good, my dear student. Now, move to the next page at page 54. Okay, I'll be zooming in. Match, then write the names of the shops. Okay, as you can see here, I have 5 names of different shops, and to your right, I have the pictures of these shops. Okay, now let me read first, and then I'll be giving you some time, try to write the answers yourself. Number 1, I have butchers. Number 2, green grocery. Number 3, grocery shop. Number 4, bookshop. Number 5, laundry. Now, you need maybe 30 seconds, maybe less. I know you can do it. Try to write and match the correct number and then write the correct shop in these places. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Here, for the first one, I have the bookshop. Okay, the bookshop. Next one, I have green grocery. Very good. I have the green grocery. For the next one, I have grocery shop. Very good. Grocery shop. Next one, now I have 2 shops remaining. I have butchers and I have laundry. For the next one, obviously, it's a laundry. Very good. And for the last one, I have the butcher's shop. Very good. So let's read our answers. Bookshop, green grocery, grocery shop, laundry, and butchers. Now, after you have this page, you have this picture dictionary. I try to give you the first one as an example. What you can find in this dictionary or picture dictionary, the most important words that we have taken in this in our book, as you can see here, I tried to take this one from animals. Here I try to give you the pictures and the names of some animals. Okay, so if you don't want to go through the units and you need to learn the vocabulary or revise the vocabulary, you can go to the picture dictionary for the animals or for the name of the animals, and it covers all the units in your book. So that was your book, my dear student. It has been a very wonderful year, and I was so lucky to be your teacher. This is the time to say goodbye. I wish you nothing but success and prosperity in this year and in the years to come. شارفت رحلتي معكم على الانتهاء. سعيدة بكوني معلمة معكم. أسأل الله أن ينفعنا بما علمنا وأن يعلمنا ما ينفعنا. كانت معكم أستاذة إيناس الحديثي. أترككم في رعاية الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.